Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today we are going to be checking out this bicycle mount here. This is for the DJI Mavic Air. If you do decide to mount your controller and go for a bike ride, here is the solution for that. So this thing is completely made of plastic. All you have to do is pretty much snap on your controller over here on top, and it should hold the controller in place. As you can see, you do have a locking mechanism if you do decide to. It's like a quick release if you want to decide to remove the controller from the whole mount. And this thing actually swivel, and at the bottom here, that is where you're clamping to lock the mount here on your bicycle bar. For my bicycle bar, it's a bit on the smaller side, so it's quite loose. It does have a rubber grip there to kind of hold the mounting in place, but for my bar that I'm using on this Dahon folding bike, it's a bit on the smaller side. So on a standard bicycle, this thing will fit perfectly fine, but for mine, it's somewhat snugged in, but it still has some slack on it. All right, so I got it mounted. That's what it looks like. It looks really nice. Again, you could angle the controller so you could see the viewing angle much better. And here is the quick release. If you want to just take off the top, you could do so. As you can see, I did a quick release right there. The base pretty much attaches to your controller there, and all you have to do is just put it back if you want to put it back like that. Hold on, let me try to get in focus here. Okay, once you've got that mounted, then you just lock it down like so. So that's really convenient, guys, for the quick release. And of course, this thing swivels left and right. And yeah, so let's take this for a little spin and see how it performs. Alright guys, so since I'm doing this accessories review for the DJI Mavic Air, I'm just gonna do another one here. This is a lanyard which you could put around your neck. You attach this to your controller and you just put this around your neck if you are trying to hold something. So again, this one is perfect for if you are doing an active tracking. You could walk around and hold other things besides your controller. And how it goes is you pretty much just snap this onto your controller, and that's pretty much it. So let me try to snap this on and I'll show you guys. I'll do a quick demonstration and how you could use this in a real world situation. So all you have to do is pretty much just hook this up like this. It's just a snap-on, guys. Very simple. Right there. And then you just snap it on like so. You see, it is fully mounted Now you just put your phone back in place and you are good to go. Oops. Oh shoot, hold on guys. This thing has to be on top like this. And you could just wrap that around your neck. Okay, so let's go for a fly again and see how it performs with the active tracking. So there you have it guys, those two are the accessories for your DJI Mavic Air. Both products are super amazing. With this lanyard, forgot to mention that you can actually do a quick release. As you can see right there, there is a quick release button. You just have to click, and once you click that, everything will just come off. Both products are just super amazing. It just complements with the active tracking on your Mavic Air, especially if you want to go for a bike ride or go for a hike. This is the best way to do that without holding the controller. So yeah, the links will be down below if you guys are interested. And again, if you have any other further questions, you know the drill, just leave me a comment down below. And once again guys, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.